Hello, my name is Clay Dinger, and I've been chosen to present at the 2023 NGH Convention and Educational Conference on August 13th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Sometimes even knowledgeable, experienced hypnotists struggle to help hardworking clients make changes to reach their goals. Although it is clear there's an obstacle in the way, sometimes it's hard to figure out exactly where to focus the intervention. Understanding the needs and values of each self provides a critical framework for locating blockages. A healthy alignment of all the selves can help the client become more successful in achieving their desired results. During the lecture, we will be exploring what to look for when a client is not making the progress that they and you want. What I'm trying to produce here is not so much a hypnosis process, if you will, but what to look for when your hypnosis is not working. And many times the emotional self gets in the way, or the logical self gets in the way, and that's what the title is about. And it's determining which self is driving the boat, and to help identify that. And they just don't, and the person gets frustrated because they aren't making the progress that they know they could or should, and their frustration comes through, and sometimes not even directed at you. We will also do an exercise to assist participants to identify at least one self-misalignment and suggestions for using self-awareness to make better decisions, choices to reach desired goals. See you at the convention.